Hello YouTube world. Today I'm going to show you how to put in a video card, also known as a graphics card. Very useful, especially for gaming and stuff. That's like something gamers really want. Now, no, this is not a brand new video card, by the way. I got it out of like a really old, who knows what kind of tower. But anyway, the tools you will need: screwdriver, some generic computer screw, and of course your video card. And what I'm doing here is I'm putting in another video card into this machine, which will run the live stream until I get a Mac. When I get a Mac, that's going to be running the live stream. But anyway, first of all, of course, you got to open up your computer, your tower. Sometimes there's going to be screws on the back to open up the side, but I don't have those, luckily, because they're just really annoying. And I'm putting it in. See if I can zoom in a little bit there. I am putting it, stupid tripod, right in this slot right here. Not that one, that one, right there. Anyway, there's many different types of video cards, so you're going to have to check what video cards your motherboard, what types of video cards your motherboard supports, because there's PCI, there's PCI Express, there's AGP, PCI Express 2.0, but anyway, there's many different types. Make sure you get the right type if you want to add a video card or replace a current video card. But I'm doing this so I can have dual monitors, because both my monitors that I need to be using are VGA. So what you do is just pretty much put it in there, slide it into the correct slot. You see what I did right there? I just slid it in. The one I'm using, I just, right there, that kind of slot. But yeah, just make sure you get the right kind of video card, because if you don't, it won't fit in the motherboard. But luckily I found this one and tower that I have that doesn't have a hard drive. And I have lots of old computers. What you do here is screw in it. It's very difficult to see, but there is a little screw on the end of the video card, and you just screw that in. Make sure the screw is in properly. The video card is seated well, because if it's not seated, you won't be able to get any picture on your monitor. That won't be very good. But anyway, there you have it. The video card is in. Very simple, yes? For some reason I have trouble getting the side of this back on. But there we go. Now we'll be able to have dual monitors. If I am able to get the dual monitors, then I shall start doing the live stream much more. If it works. If it doesn't work, then the video card might have gone bad. Hopefully it's still compatible, but something I haven't foreseen happens, then I won't be able to do my live stream. But I'll just did a different video card out of a different computer. Just so you can see, right over here, I have 3 more really old towers. But anyway, this has been TechnoGuy 3, and I'll do anything to get a cheap solution to any problem. Yes.